What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, we've had the Pixel 9 Pro XL in-house for a little while now, and we finally got a chance to take a good assortment of pictures, especially at night, at an event at Universal Studios Florida called Halloween Horror Nights. So I'm going to preface this video as there might be a couple of scary pictures here, so if you don't like seeing that, cut this video off. Not for you, but if you're looking for some good low-light shots to see the capabilities of the new Pixel 9 Pro series, this video should hopefully cover it. We're not going to be very scientific here. These are a lot of just point and shoot options. So this is what you're going to get straight out of the camera, unedited type footage, and I hope you guys like what you see here. Now, comment down below, let me know what you think. How has the Pixel 9 series camera improved from the 8 before that? We do know Google Pixels have always taken pretty great pictures. Sometimes they're a little too contrasty, not nearly as much as Samsung's, but yeah. So what we'll do, we'll have some daylight pictures at the beginning of this video and all those nighttimes kind of scarier, spookier shots at the end of it. Let's go.